Hey guys, welcome to Forex Family Empire. We're back again with another video. It's your boy K Smalls. Yeah guys, I can already see that you see the signals that is on here guys. So I'm already on USDJPY. I just want to give you an update of what I did yesterday, how I analyzed. I think USDJPY and NASDAQ are giving me proper signals and setups guys. So I'm just going to be explaining the setups and how we are going to be trading it guys. So I'll start with the USDJPY because it's the one that needs more explanation guys regarding the update of yesterday's video regarding CPI guys. So basically guys, if I started on, I'm not gonna start it from scratch guys. You saw how we analyzed it. We were expecting a buy on USDJPY. Right now that buy is basically preparing a massive move guys. So I see guys, we've been having a channel here on USDJPY channeling around this area. So it's a very good signal that is giving us a buy signal right now at the moment. And another one that is giving me a buying signal, we got a small W here that got broken out. Look at my handwriting guys again. So this small W started somewhere here. We saw the neckline has been broken out. They broke out the neckline. Right now they came back and retested that neckline. So we're expecting them to go to the top side guys. I'm on a 4-hour time frame right now, so I believe you can see that W that got broken out. The neckline was there. We saw a breakout. Right now they are retesting, and on top of that retest guys, they are busy creating a bullish flag guys. So this right here is a bullish flag guys. So a bullish flag is more or less the same as a falling wedge guys. So if it's a falling wedge, it's a bullish flag, however you want to call it guys. If I move over to a smaller time frame, because I was on a 1-hour time frame, you can see that bullish flag basically started right here. Let me just go to a 30 minutes time frame just to see the bullish flag nicely guys. So we can see here is our bullish flags that is forming well around after the neckline has been broken out, and they tested that neckline. I think the bullish flag will go something like this. They came back and retested it. If they don't break out here, I think they will come back and give us a very nice entry point here. So but yeah, they will never break out this point here, because if they break out this point, we need to put out our stop loss below this point guys. So it's going to be a long position. So a long position will start here. So our long position will start there, and then our stop loss will be there, and we're going to be buying up until that level guys. So if I zoom out the chart guys, you'll be able to see why I'm saying we're going to be taking that buy guys. So remember, USDJPY have been forming that rising wedge. I said they need to come to this level up until they start to give us a selling position. So I think CPI will be the one that is going to help us to push to that level guys. So hopefully CPI will push us to that level. Once they push us to this level guys, make sure that you have your backs fully ready so that we can enter positions and let the market run up until we come here. But right now the signal for CPI today is basically a buying signal based on the criteria that I gave you to say the market is basically creating a bullish flag. And here's the bullish flag. I know right now the chart is started to be ugly guys. Let me just delete all these things that I've been writing here. Yeah, but yeah, the market is giving us a bullish flag guys. So inside a bullish flag, once the market comes and touch this level here below, make sure that you enter your buying position. Even 2:30 is not there yet. Just make sure that if they come and touch this level here below, where is the level guys? The level is well about 148.963, 148.963. So that's where the level is where we're gonna buy. Or if you don't want to buy from here, you wait for them to come and break out here. Once they break out the bullish flag, you know that you'll be rising with them guys. But yeah, the breakout from the bullish flag, I think you'll be late to enter the position, but it's very nice if you enter the bullish flag when it's retesting the below trend line guys. So the trend line below here, if they retest it there, you know that that's your first entry, and you can just relax, wait for CPI guys. But yeah, if right now at this moment, at this point in time, it was CPI. I was going to jump into a buying position, guys, because the market is basically saying that if I go to a higher time frame, the market is basically saying, yo, we broke out the neckline. So here's the neckline that got broken out, and remember, it's on a 4 hour time frame, guys. It's very, very strong. So we broke out the neckline. After breaking out the neckline, we came back and retested it just to make sure that that trend line is very, very strong, or that neckline is very, very strong. So they broke it out, they came back and retested it. So right now we are basically ready to continue with the upside movement, guys. So the upside movement, you can see entries I gave you on a 15 minutes chart or 30 minutes chart to say once they come back and retest the bullish, the bullish flag below here. I think we're going to be continuing to come down just to come and give us the bullish flag confirmation here to say we want to enter our position. So basically you need to start buying under this level. I gave you the number of that level. Just write the bullish flag on your computer and also see how you analyze it, and also see where the price action is, guys. So because we can see the bullish flag is right about 148.962. That's basically what I see when it comes to USDJPY. The signal for USDJPY is basically a buy when it comes to CPI, guys, today. So I'm going to jump over to NASDAQ because I don't want to make this video to be long. NASDAQ, if I go back to 4 hour time frame, guys, yesterday we also recorded this video saying NASDAQ has to touch here and then start going to the downside, guys. They give us, we have a falling wedge when it comes to NASDAQ. The falling wedge has been running something like this, we can see. So on top of that falling wedge, guys, inside this falling wedge, we only touched it 2 times or 3 times. So this is the third time. So we touched it here, we touched it for the second time. So this is the third time. Look, where we are exactly on top of the third touch line. So they touching that, we know that you're gonna be selling the market up until this level, guys. But if they break out here, hopefully they don't give us a fake breakout and start playing right here after before the news. But yeah, right now as things stands, I'll be selling Nasdaq, guys. I'll be selling Nasdaq as things stands right now. I will be selling Nasdaq, guys. So I think the analysis is being are still relevant. The analyses are still accurate. We're just waiting for the Nasdaq price to just touch the trend line here on the upper one. This is going to be our third touch, and you know that our third touch is a charm, guys. So basically this is our trading plan. Let's just go to a 15 minutes chart time frame and see exactly, maybe they will provide us with a very, very nice entry, guys, because you know, when you see something like this, you need to just go to the smaller time frame. You already know that the bigger time frame you are going down, but the smaller time frame you are looking for proper entry without any drawdowns, guys. So if we're looking at this thing on a 15 minutes time frame, we can see they are basically creating a rising wedge here. So this is a very, very good rising wedge. If they break out from this rising wedge, you know that you're gonna be entering on the breakout. So let me show you another entry that you're gonna pick up, guys. So another entry that we are going to pick up should be when they touch the trend line on top. So when they touch the trend line on top, that's basically your second entry. Or this is whatever they do first. But I'm expecting them to come here first because I want them to touch the trend line on top, and then they need to come back and then start falling from there. So when it comes to Nasdaq, guys, my buying position, I'll put it on top there. This is a 15 minutes chart, so I'm going to put my selling position here, and then the stop loss will be there, and then we're gonna be going down with it. So this is basically what I'm seeing right now. And another position that you can take if they don't go and hit it here, what you can do, you wait for them to come and break out this point. Look at this thing. What am I doing? You wait for them to come and break out here. Let me do this reset chart so that it can be big. So you wait for them to do something like this. They will come and break out here, and then when they retest, then that's when you will enter your position to go to the downside. Overall, we're going to be selling Nasdaq, we're going to be buying US30. That's basically what I see, guys. Hopefully you understand the signal. You're not going to get confused, guys. So here it is. Let me just put the big cell that we want to be looking at. So this is the big cell, but when you go to the 15 minutes time frame, you know that your entry point, that's how you get them, guys. So the entry point, we're seeing a very good rising word increasing in a 15 minutes time frame. So once they touch this level here, and this level is also giving us a very important things, guys, that we need to watch. It only touched it once, they touch it twice, and then if they touch it for the third time here, it's giving us a good signal, guys. So a good signal for touching it for the third time here, you enter your selling position without fear. You just enter, you leave it, and then if they come and then they don't go there, they break out here, you wait for them to retest, and then you enter your selling positions here and then start to go to the downside with them. Hopefully I make sense with this analysis, guys. I don't want to make this video long. It was just an update to just show you that the signal Nasdaq, it's a sell, USDJPY, it's a buy. I'll see you on another video. That's it for me. Bye bye.